Karma is the ultimate law of the universe, one of equilibrium and balance, of cause and effect. Though not as simple as tit for tat or this for that, there are a multitude of facets involved. Thank you for your comment, spiritual villain. In my understanding and experience, the quote from Sir Edwin Arnold in reference to karma was helping to explain that no matter our status in the physical world, which is so very transitory, whether slave or king, it is our character, our thoughts, our actions and reactions that truly shape our soul. We are here on earth to learn, and sages through the ages have advised us, do unto others, or as you sow, so shall you reap. Karma is not punishment nor reward, but balance. You are the one who suffers from your wrongs and benefits from your rights. There's no judge or jury. It's you, through experience, who comes to finally understand everything that you have caused another living being to experience, whether good or bad, through thought and deed, will be experienced by you from their perspective, and not necessarily in this lifetime. No one gets away with anything. It is the ultimate peacekeeper if we would only understand. The heart of karma is love.